Audio Jungle.
Everyone, welcome back to Ramya Edutech YouTube ఛానల్. ఎవరైతే మన ఛానల్ని ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తున్నారో సో ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అలాగే ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుని పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే నేను ఏ వీడియో పెట్టినా మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తుంది. Hey everyone, so in this video I am going to explain a very interesting and wonderful update. So that is what the data analytics course is. So in this video I will explain the complete process of how to apply for an ISRO free data analytics course. So this will be a wonderful opportunity to you, so who are in undergraduate or postgraduate or working professional or faculty or a researcher or tech beginners or government employees. So this will be an useful information, so don't skip this. So watch completely, I will explain the process. So first of all, what is ISRO free data analytics course is? The ISRO free data analytics course is a series of online programs conducted by Indian Space Research Organization through its Indian Institute of Remote Sensing. These courses focus on cutting-edge topics like Python, ML, artificial intelligence, geographic information, and geospatial data analytics with a strong emphasis on real-world application in remote sensing, agriculture, urban planning, and more. Who can apply for ISRO free data analytics course? So this data analytics course is for undergraduates or postgraduates, working professionals, faculty and researchers, or else tech beginners, government employees. So anyone can apply to this course. So the requirement is stable internet connection, valid email ID and phone number, and minimum attendance, 15 to 70% for certificate eligibility. And once you can see here the benefits of this course, so 100% free, prestigious certification, career advancement, hands-on practical learning, expert instruction, flexible learning, networking, resume booster. So if you want to apply to this course, so you can follow the next registration process. So don't skip this entire video, so watch carefully and apply carefully, so you can get this valuable course for free. So once your registration is completed, immediately the ISRO team will send a mail to you to access the learning modules. Okay, so after completion of your learning, so they will provide a project, so you can do that project. So and that project is majorly used for the agriculture system, so it will be very helpful to you. So watch the application process. So once you click the link that I have given in the description, you will get this page. So after coming to this page, you need to register. So if you are new to this page, you have to register or else you have to log in. So now I will show how to register in this. You need to enter your full name as per 10th class certificate, and next add your email, and next confirm that email, and next give the strengthened password as they are shown here, and next retype the password that you are given, and next enter the displayed code. Okay, so after registration you need to select the course. So here select the course name. After selecting this course name, and you need to enter the mode of registration. So select individual registration, and here you need to enter your prerequisite for selected course. So your basic qualification and basic knowledge on and name. How the course contents of this course will be useful for your professional career. So add the description that what you are like why you are choosing this course. So after that, after clicking the next button, you will enter to this page. The page relates to the personal details. So enter your salutation here, and next your full name, date of birth, gender, mobile number, nationality, city, country, PIN. So next save and continue. And after submitting your educational details, you need to fill your professional details. So here you need to enter your highest qualification and the major subjects and board or university name and year of passing. Okay, after this you need to save and continue. After saving and continue, you need to enter your employment status. Like if you are a student, you need to click on student, or else working professional or self-employed or a foreign student in Indian university, you need to click. Suppose I'm clicking here a student. So choose your qualification. Either you are in undergraduate, postgraduate, or a PhD or another. So after that you have to upload your photo and identification proof like passport, voter ID card, PAN card, Aadhaar card, government ID, employee ID proof or other. So whatever you want to upload, so click on that. Suppose you have to upload, you want to upload Aadhaar card, then click Aadhaar card. So after that you need to choose file of your Aadhaar card and next give your Aadhaar number. Okay. So after clicking save and continue, you have to preview your application. So after that, you need to apply. So after clicking preview, so you need to apply by clicking this apply button. So okay. So after applying, you will get this page called your course details, course name, starting date and ending date, course coordinator. So you need to print this page. So after printing this page, you need to save it. After that, once read the guidelines that are given by the ISRO. So there are nearly 10 to 12 steps. So read it carefully. After applying, the ISRO team will be review your profile and they will mail to you. So wait until the mail has sent to you. So and you can see your application status. So see here you can see your application status. So this is the wonderful course which you can learn and earn the real world experience, and there will be a project called remote sensing data analytics for crop production forecasting. So which will be helpful for you. So don't forget to share with your friends. And if you want to so if you really want this type of content, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you want the content like this, so subscribe and hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button. So that's it for today guys. Thank you so much.